Honey, when the last time you been to Dollar Tree? When the last time you been to Dollar Tree? Lucky cookie. Honey, when I tell you I am just picking up the stuff left and right and left in this Dollar Tree haul. Oh, they got some good stuff. Won't he deal with it? Let me tell you something. This smells divine. Right on time. Now, Dollar Tree has the shower gel enchanted cherry. When I tell you this smells amazing. Child, they knew what they was doing. Now, this has notes of juicy cherry. I know because I smell it. Now, they have that peeper, okay? And then sandalwood. Cruelty-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. $1. Honey, let me go on and get me a bottle of this. You know when I put these on, you know it's game time, don't you? Okay? When I put the reading glasses. Now, these thicker than I don't know what. But this is your signal. If you ain't ready to change that energy to do a little laughy laugh, this video ain't for you. Now let's get into these items. Alright friends, we gonna try this out. Now this is the Clean Beauty Lip Color and Cream Blush. Let's get this a go, Joe. Let's go. Alright family, so today we are going to give this a go, Joe. This is from Be Pure Fun in the Sun. One of the things that I noticed about this 2-in-1 lip color and cream blush, you have to press down with your makeup brush a lot for it to show up. You better get on down to Dollar Tree. That's it. You better get on down here. Honey, aren't they fancy pantsy? Look at these water bottles. Look at these water bottles. Now, these are $1. Hold on, $1.25, honey. $1.25. Get into this. Get into this. Remember them goals. Summer bodies are made in the winter. Child, you better move it groovy. Amazing finds at Dollar Tree this week. Oh my goodness. You are going to be stoked. You need some popcorn to watch with that good old movie. Dollar Tree has the AMC Theater Perfectly Popcorn. Real movie theater popcorn with a twist of cinnamon and butter. Now, 6 bags for $1.25. Yes. And if you guys are looking for gluten-free potato chips, Dollar Tree has the kettle cooked jalapeno flavored potato chips. These are new, by the way, $1.25. And then they also have the kettle cooked original potato chips. We got them. Let's try them. Personally, me, they don't have a whole lot of flavor to them. I tell you, these new finds. Dollar Tree has things like the new Barbie on the go first aid kit. Oh yes, styling and definitely profiling. This is $1.25 for 21 pieces. Oh, they ain't forget the little boy. Now they also have the Avengers. Oh yes, 21 pieces, same as their concept. Love this. This is something great to have in your medicine cabinet. Absolutely a steal deal. Now if you are looking to buy some medicine for like your allergies or so, right? Dollar Tree has the Benadryl. These are $6. If you do have the bubble guts, you know, I'm not in your business, friend, but if you do have the bubble gut, they have this. This is the anti-diarrhea, okay? $4.75. I'm just telling you, you know, I'm just telling. Now, Dollar Tree also have the strawberry shortcake, the sugar lip scrub. I know a few of you guys been still looking for this. Honey, at this location, they have a lot of them. $1.25. Hey friends, so Dollar Tree have some amazing hair accessories like this Sophie, really cute, sleek, styling, definitely profiling, fancy mancy, all a business, $1.25. Loved it. Dollar Tree also have the scrunchies that goes with the headbands. These are definitely amazing. You guys are looking for the heat resistant pads. Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. They still have them. This is $1.25. Oh my goodness. Looky cookie. The Sophie with the butterfly, honey. You know, I'm two through. 2 pieces, snap clips. Love this. $1.25. Lucky cookie. Now Dollar Tree is selling NOLA goods. Did you guys see this? This is the 4-pack shoe charms. Yes. Now they ain't gotta be name brand. Now they got some beautiful, amazing colors in here. Like the spring, summertime. These are $1.50. Love that. Oh, you thought I forgot. You thought I forgot about the little boys. Look at these. Now I didn't shoe charms. They got the peace sign. I know that's right. Vibes. They got the man on the moon. And then they also have the controller. This is giving... when you see something else new. This is definitely giving spring and summer. You get what I'm saying? Now, Dollar Tree also have these kid single wall tumblers. Now, I absolutely love these. These are $5. Amazing price point. Movie groovy. Out here moving our feet out in these Dollar Tree streets. So they have the purple and green. Love this. They also have the dark blue, the light blue. They also have the dino. Okay, get into the dinosaur. It says. Now, Dollar Tree also child. You know what? It's the unicorn for me. It is the unicorn for me. These are $5. Love this. I'm gonna show you the fanciest of the fanciest, the new items right now today at Dollar Tree. Swing my way. Come on, you ready? Let's go. Oh, I heard somebody was looking for the Easter eggs. Dollar Tree has the 6-piece Easter eggs for $1.25. Oh, and if you're looking for the bunny that's going to go hoppity hop, 3-piece for $1.50. Also have the chickadee chick, 3 pieces, $1.25. And get into the carriage, friends. Pieces, $1.25. Honey, aren't they movie groovy? Now, you know my thing is to go like a chicken wing. Now, they have the 4, these are the dinosaur eggs, $1.25. You get 4 of these big bad boys. Dollar Tree is just a movie groovy. Oh, looky. Don't try to tell me these ain't cute. These little Christmas trees. Oh, gonna bring you to your knees. These are $1.50. Love this. These bunnies, they ain't acting funny and they want all the money. Look at this. Pop It toy. Okay? She want all the money. Now, $1.50. You know, we just out in these streets moving our feet to the Dollar Tree. Look at this. Oh, yes. Plenty more where that came from. Now, if you gorgeous good folks are looking for Valentine's Day items, you know, to make baskets, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They had a tacky sand, 8 pieces for $1.50. They also have these toys over here, stampers. These are $1.50 as well. You get 10 pieces. I absolutely love the 48 count card set. Love this. They also have the 18 Valentine's Day card set, $1.50 as well. Movie groovy. You're looking for buckets. Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. These are, when I tell you, they ain't doing nothing but showing. Look at this. This is so cute. These little boxes, gift boxes. Oh, yes. $1.50. How chic and styling and profiling that is. Oh, what about this one? Love vibes only. I know that's right. I know this is right. Hippie time. When I tell you these boxes are so amazing. They are so cute. Love this. These next items, they are so cute. Ooh. So Dollar Tree has the dog squishy pillows. Oh, and it feels so soft. These are $8. Check this out. Now Dollar Tree also have the game controllers. Okay, squishy pillow, the unicorn squishy pillow, really cute. Now Dollar Tree also have the silicone. These are the oven mitts. Honey, love these. Comes in 2 different colors. Well, that's what they have. No, 3. Blue, yellow, and pink. Love this. Wood egg beaded garland. Oh, yes, Dollar Tree is in the place to be. Chill. Hold on, honey. I'm getting so excited. That's the excitement coming out of me. And if you guys are looking for snack cups, oh yes, Dollar Tree has them. 40-piece snack cups for $5. Love this. They also have these Easter welcome signs. Really amazing. Look how cute and fancy and groovy these are. You guys looking for a tier serving tray? Honey, they're gonna take it away. 3-tier serving trays at Dollar Tree. Love this. Food safe. This is $7. Oh my. If you want to get your gardening on and you're like, Dina, but I don't have a big yard. Dollar Tree said, that's okay. We're gonna give you these grow kits. Strawberries, anyone? $5. Love this. All right. Leprechaun. Honey, I'm thinking of what the kids said when I was a kid. You know, I had this green coat, and he would make fun of me, and he would say things like, look like me, go, smell like me, go, is me, go. Calling me a leprechaun, but that's neither here nor there. Now, Dollar Tree has the wire garland. You see this? You see where I'm going with this? Okay, 25 feet, $1.50. The mini scented bubble tube, 10 count. This makes perfect St. Patty's baskets. Love this. Headbands. Love this. Shamrock is $1.50, all right? Now, they also have the curly straws over here, 4 pieces, $1.50. And then they also have the wire-edged ribbon. These are cute. And if you're looking for the headbands that says Happy St. Patrick's Day, oh, they got them. Yeah, they got them. And what about the St. Patty's jumbo tie? Ooh, child, you're going to be moving and grooving. Necklaces, 6 count. Oh, they have it. 9 feet, tinsel garland. Oh, yeah, they have that. Now, to the ones that like to get the drinky drink on, I'm not judging you. Check this out. Okay, so Dollar Tree has the necklace. Look at this, okay? All right, these are $1.50, green and gold. You like these bags? Oh yes, these are $1.50. Aren't they cute? Just styling and definitely profiling. Okay, friends, let me know what was your favorite item that you seen in this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, I had to buy my youngest daughter Amani a cup. You know, I brought my youngest son Javon. Well, actually, the cup, it was for me. It was the St. Patty's Day cup. And, you know, they complaining, oh, you brought Javon one, you ain't buy me one. So I said, you know what, let me get her one of these. Now, my favorite items that was in this haul, oh, honey, they had so many. Now, this tumbler, okay, this water bottle definitely was by far one of the faves. The popcorn, AMC cinnamon popcorn with the butter. Oh, honey. Word to the mother. And then these kettle chips, the jalapeno. Now we gonna get them a good old try when I get home, and then I want to try the blush that I also purchased. With that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what was your favorite part of the video, okay? Because you know I'm here to change, to help you change your vibe and get on this tribe, okay? All right? And move your feet to the beat out in these streets. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Subscribe, friend.